Mama akwaba wa frame adwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Win election, yes, one touch. So Ashanti region is very important, and why the combination between Obiahu Sebeba Ashanti region? This NPP is a highly conservative party. Yes, they have lived up to this. The party has never gone to the north to pick a candidate. Yes. Why would the party at this material moment say the candidate must come from the north? And that is so clear. It is so clear, yes. Because the candidate himself has earned it. Yes. While working so hard, they say party for say no. After all, NPP people from northern extraction might contest presidential primaries. Oh yes. Malik Alasan, the former vice president Aliu Mahama, not contested that, and yet they were not able to make it because. Another party who said they were not the right people to lead the party. See, Oman who said somebody from the north are so competent, why so what deliver as vice president, yet they no call as president. So it is not surprising to say such a person will pick somebody from Ashanti region formation and NPP say and through NLM. Yes, NLM and Northern People's Party, yes. Not from the North. NPP, no. And original NPP, Northern People's Party Dr. Baumia Papa, no account, and on the form your together to form the United Party. United Party now and LED metamorphosed into NPP, new NPP now. On the combination, a perfect combination, you are getting people from the so-called minority group to join with the majority group, and that combination now I complete. So that is how it's going to happen. People are expecting, say, Ghanaians are expecting, say, there will be some changes within the minority groups. Look, this is the first time you say NPP are far running meta Keta market. Peter, there are no know about the but I've seen say even the optics. Yeah, this is a region now. All those is we share NPP T-shirt, Masa Yetimisto no from 1992. But things are changing. Those Napoleon, the whole of Volta region. Now, Charlie, celebration of course work Keta market tomorrow. It's when it is something good coming to NPP and Napobia nim said the oya nejuma combination will be oya hard work to combine with another workaholic will be any DMB. Yeah, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia said the oya nejuma on that oya juma day and night and so that the Dr. Bonfeka no data dear Doctor the data ejuma. Yeah, it was not surprising say data na no share how they choose Napo. I've heard people say Napo or negatives be say or no so checky. People have said about it. They no say arrogant. As for arrogance is relative. Me say I'm eating a many more kasai po. Mo journal me colleagues are mo be no say me crowd to be arrogant. And yes, Ebika Peter sometimes okay. But me no me could do baby I will say how do there are places okay say how do tisa how do kasa crowd. In fact people don't know they are even talk. As well as I'm not making baby. You are paying Gabi as I would say that. Yeah. And Kofosu was our perception about him. But me go na sabediako. Gabi one of the few people in NPP. Yes. I can fight for him in public without his presence. And because I've known Gabi for years, never on one occasion, and Gabi I show arrogance portrait. I'm sure because this year and then Gabi position our war, mistake in public. Yes. Na Gabi in office. Now what kind of night or the night after the table so. Yes. Me come mention na yes form. Yes. And I'm saying this, tell me yes. Tell me Gabi or no table so one office so the night that's what I did not have penny years or so I make the night that's on no pepper. Now so name baby. Yes, as for I also aristocrat. As for be or arrogant dear to the beer somebody is very assertive. Yes. It's a thin margin between that margin between assertiveness and arrogance. But you see, so even assertiveness obi oha or ya assertive because ebia o de nema o de ba nanim no frivolities are ni nema on jiji so.
Yes.
So you will brush you aside with those things. Almost any pano ye, but it's a wake up call. Nipo wo hedi obia wo ni downs and in the ups. It's in it behoves Napo and Kasano. Say obeshe niema among folk eka efano. Say if he feels there ana among folk say these things must be checked. Ona be check it. It is for his own interest, because to be number two gentleman of the land easy task. On said the Vice President Baumia carry no. I think it's a perfect example of Betuma I follow. In fact, President Unyama met a President Akufado my testimony about
Napo.
About Dr. Baumia.
Okay.
Never since our finals 2008 has he had any confrontation, even public or private, with him. Never has he talked back at him. Never has he done something to undermine his authority. So, and that is why they have jailed since 1998. Look, with your NDC history, Omo election, this is the second time NDC election Omo maintain Omo running meto. Gordon. Anytime we call election, be the second one or no more dropping no. Omo dropping no. Second election, omo drop it running mate. This is the first time Omo maintaining Jane. Nana.
And Machado vice
exactly. Yeah. But since 1998, 2008, we maintain for 2012, maintain for 2016, and then 2020. Now, Bruno. So that is a perfect example. I say Napo on so life vice president. The way I was serving in a boss. I think that is a perfect example. Say Napo so be useful.
Yes.
As serving.
But to be fair, my computer, my mount will be a mount. Message back was say Audu, can you please disclose the origin of your document and how confident are you in its authenticity? We've seen similar documents in the past, like the infamous Ejapadie that was circulated about the NPP, only to be exposed as a fabrication.
Yes, this one, it is not a fabrication. I don't want to mention the name of the person who led this research. It is not a fabrication.
Now, in fact, I would be actually and no more won't be one ma a woman
yes. They've started.
Yes. They've started already.
They cannot deny this report.
Okay, and me reading we know also Osabo Ejapadie.
Yes.
And this is for a document be a friend Ejapadie. I'm very surprised say NPP for quantum minka huasem. Every share me no ka say Ejapadie no omo be 10 different versions.
Yes, that's correct.
And yes, and say asemni asemisi aro makofa we no mu de asem asemisi aro makofa no mu de asem asemisi aro makofa mu de asem eto mu se ya anka